Hello, welcome to Miemie's Keepsakes. I'm Arnell. I am here today with first I am doing an unboxing for your creative studio. They've sent me the February flower pack, and I have never received anything from your creative studio, so I'm very excited. And yeah, so I'll add their information in my description box. I love this paper already, definitely will use that. It's just beautiful. So let's just unpack the box and then we can open all the pieces. There is a lot in this box, a lot of things. Stamps. Love stamps, like you know. Okay, let's see what's in here. Well, first of all, let's look at this beautiful paper. Isn't that just absolutely gorgeous? I love it. Okay, we definitely will use that as well. So let's just start with this one thing. So this is rub-ons, rub-on transfer stickers, and let's just open and have a look at it. I will come back and play with this a little bit as well. And so this is absolutely beautiful. Maybe if I put it on the white, I don't know how you will see it best. I'm going to bring the camera a little bit closer. Okay, because the box is very big. Okay, so there's the rub-ons. I just love this. It's beautiful, honestly. So I'll definitely try that on fabric. I've seen the rub-ons on the fabric and I just love it. I have not tried to do that yet, but I am very intrigued about it. So this one is it just says paper ephemera stickers, vellum paper, art paper, and pattern paper. So let's see. There's the vellum paper. Oh, it is beautiful. Yes, we will definitely come and play with these. They are absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. I might even have it upside down, but even the back side is good. Yeah, I think I did. Okay, so let's see. Then, oh, so it's the same as the vellum. The designs are the same. Put it down. Yeah, it's the same as the vellum, but it's very nice paper for sure. Beautiful designs. And then this is a thinner. So it's different kinds of papers, but the same designs. I think they said there were stickers in here. Okay. Let's see what's in here. This is Time Files Bulk Collection. Oh, I love this. Yeah, it looks like there's more than one of the same print, but it almost looks like, oh, I'm gonna have so much fun using this. Yeah, so it's like small receipts printed smaller, but this is just perfect for a journaling card. The size, the background, and then you can add things to it. Love that. Let's look at this. This looks like tissue paper, and everything goes so beautifully together. So this is how the tissue paper looks. That's actually the back side. This is the front side, and it almost looks like you've sprayed the tissue paper with inks. And then there's this stamp stickers. vellum stickers and the flower stickers. Whoops. Yeah, so these, they look like real dried flowers. Honestly, the stickers are, if I didn't see it with stickers, I would have thought these were dried flowers pressed, like laminated. And then there's small ephemera pieces like labels and tickets, small map. These are all will be wonderful to use. Okay, going to put it on the baggie so when I'm done I can put everything back, and when we start playing with that we'll know what is what. And this is more of those kind of purple stickers. Oh, it's beautiful. So it is a shiny sticker, but I think these are just gorgeous. Look at this. It honestly, it looks like a dried flower. There's a whole lot of them. Again, this one looks like a dried flower. Let me see if I can. I'm thinking if all of these have so many little pieces, I better start putting them back, because when we want to play with them I won't know what is what. Okay, almost done. Okay, and then there's another. Past Memory is the name of this one, and here is real dried flowers in there. Wow. And then paper pieces, small vellum stickers. I mean, there's so much in here. And there's 2 of each, so you can definitely use them to your heart's content. You're not stuck with just 1 of each. This one is Past Memories, and it has that little piece of dried flower in there. Sorry, I just want to put it back because otherwise I won't remember what is what. Yeah, this one kind of broke a little bit, but I have some of that dried flowers that we can add when we start playing with these. And what is this? Okay, let's see. Unfortunately, I'll have to tear that to open it up. Let's see what this is. Oh, these are nice small rubber stamps. These are nice sizes for clusters. I've been looking for smaller stamps that I can use for little clusters. These will be perfect for that. And this stamp set, it just says CLS0049. I don't know if you can order these separately. I know I did see stamps on the website that was really nice and very tempting. So, oh, washi. And see, everything goes together perfectly. Wow, this is all put together just so nicely. This is a beautiful washi. Again, it looks like dried flowers. And then what is in here? This is just, again, just little printables that you can use for so many things. And 2 of each again. Oops. So yes, a lot of beautiful, almost looks like burlap, beautiful pieces that we'll play with. Definitely we'll come back and play with these. this one I'm thinking is a stamp again. I have to cut it. Oh, and this is a bigger one. Oh, this is beautiful. I love this. And I think if you take that off, then it will cling. Okay, we will come back and play with that. I didn't even bring, I could probably have ink and paper ready and stamp with that, but we'll come back and play with these and have some fun. And then this, so this was the February kit. And you can definitely buy, I'm not sure if these items are available individually, but you don't have to buy the kit. You can buy some of these things individually, and I love that. That I will definitely make into a pocket or a journal. It's already done. And then these kind of letter stickers or that, and then again smaller pieces that you can use. And then these are almost like little labels: gold label beer, our boy, and lemonade. And then more printed papers. And I love these because they are absolutely the right size for a journaling card. I mean, if you back this, it's so pretty. Do you need to add anything? Not sure. I don't think so. Look at that. It is so pretty. Look at that. Just absolutely gorgeous. And then like what do you call this paper? Some handmade paper, and then some textured paper. I think it's mulberry paper or just handmade paper. Anyway, that is everything in the February kit. It is so, I mean, there's enough here, I think, to decorate a small journal. You just add your own pages and your cover, and then if you add all of this into the journal, you know, make some journaling cards and some pockets, I think there would be enough to decorate a small journal for sure. Look at all of this. It's just beautiful. And all the papers. Oh, and the stamps. Don't forget the stamps. And this is Your Creative Studio, the unboxing. Thank you to Your Creative Studio for providing me with these products. They are beautiful, and we'll come back and play a little bit more with them. And go to their website. I'll have the information in my description box, and we'll come back tomorrow and see what we're doing tomorrow. Not sure yet, but I don't think we'll be using this tomorrow. Maybe Monday, Friday or Monday. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.